everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Olight. Now this here is their Warrior Mini 2. This is the Desert Tan color. Now Olight sent this to me. They wanted me to test and review this light. Comes in this box. Let's go ahead and start with the specs. As you can see there, highest output is 1750 lumens. It's a lot of light. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, let's get this thing open, see what's in it. Nice little thank you in there. You have the user manual, multi-languages, very nice detailed information on how to use the light. One tactical ring if you want to use it. USB magnetic charging cable. This will turn red when charging, green when finished. One lanyard, so rubber style. Pretty good size actually. Pretty nice. First time I've seen that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the light. There it is. Very nice color on this. Two-way clip on here. Now you can remove it if you don't want it. Two ways you can do that. Deep pocket carry. You can put it on your baseball cap if you want. It's pretty heavy though. It does have a lanyard clip here, and you can take that off as well. Well, with the black bezel on here, that's pretty nice. Side switch. Do have a tail switch here as well. Pretty flush with the body, but does have an area right here where it sticks out past the body, so you should be able to find that. Very nice grooved indentations here on the body. Help keep it from slipping, especially if you're wearing gloves. You can table stand that if you want. Now to charge the light, very simple, and I really like this system. It always finds the sweet spot. Pretty strong, almost strong enough to hold the light. So now the style and design on this is very nice. Very popular design that they use on several of their little smaller lights, baton, etc. Now the previous model of this was a little bit shorter. Compact, light, everyday carry, or you can use it as tactical. Now the machining and finish on this is very nice. No issues with Olights that I've run across. The many that I've tested and reviewed. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look at the reflector here. Now this is a special optics. That right there is the close proximity sensor. And in the center there, their LED is a Luminous SST40 LED. And we'll go over more on that sensor. Now, me personally, it's been a hit and miss on certain lights. Some of the headlamps that I've used, tried to use it on walking up close to an object or getting something close to read it, was a little difficult to get it to lower the light output. Sometimes it worked flawlessly, other times it wouldn't. So we'll see how this one does. So now let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you the insides. Now this is a complete kit, so it does come with a battery. Want to take the protection piece off. There's the head of the light. Now this takes a proprietary battery, and you want to remove the protection piece from that. There is a spring down inside. Now this here is an 18650, 3500 milliamp. This is a protected cell. You can see both the positive and negative are right here at the top of the light to get more power from it. And then you have the negative end there. Now this is a 10 amp cell. Should provide plenty of power and get you good run time for this light for most applications. A little bit of grease there on the threads. It's always nice. Alright, now that we've got this all put together, let's go through the UI. UI is pretty straightforward. Simply click that on. This is a battery level indicator. So you can see there, right out of the box, it does need to be charged, but we'll show it to you, and I'll make sure I charge it up before heading out there. You're going to press and hold to go through those light outputs. And then from off you can press and hold to get the lowest light output. And from there we can go up. Double click will get you the highest output that this light can do. Just showing you the proximity sensor, how it works. So if you're out looking at something, better on the flashlights, because then you can just put it by your paperwork to lower the light output. If you're looking at something close, then it goes right back up where you had it on. So that's how that works. Press and hold that back down. Now if you do want to get to the special mode, you're going to triple click the side switch. 1, 2, 3. We'll get you strobe. And that is a constant rate on the flash. Click that one time, goes back to the last light output that you had it on. This does have memory mode, and I will show you the beam here. Really nice hot spot there. Definitely might turn out to be a combination beam. Spill area, very little bleeding around there. Pretty nice. I'm going to turn it off. It does have memory mode like I stated before. We're back to the regular UI. And that's all there is to this light. Simple and easy to use, nothing difficult. Proximity sensor wasn't really great on the headlamps, as I stated before, but it appears to be a little bit better with the flashlights. Alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Olight Warrior Mini 2. So let's go ahead and get started. See how it does. Now it is on. It's on the lowest setting here, as you can see. Pretty impressive. Especially for you don't want to disturb the family members. We go to the next level. There we go. See the beam there on the fence, just for reference. Got good battery level. Charged it before it came out here. And faintly making 65 feet. Making 35 feet to that water spout. I'll go to the next level here, see how it does. Good jump. Spill areas come alive. Now the large hotspot here does appear to have a little bit better range. Now here's the Tree of Life, 138 feet. And it's making that. Large hotspot. Does have a combination feel to it. I see the spill area there. Alright, let's go to the next level. See how it does. There's the hotspot. Still good battery power. Way out to the sides. Down to the bottom. All the way up into the trees. See there, making the Tree of Life even better. See how large that hotspot is. And it is faintly making the school there. Wind has picked up here a little bit, cool us off, thank goodness. Because it's been really hot here. So now we're going to go ahead and do turbo. Wow. Still good battery power here. Fully charged, easily making it across the park to the playgrounds. Both of them there, as you can see. Now this did already cycle down. I'm not feeling any heat to it though. So let's do turbo again. And it's turbo again. So I'm not feeling heat, so it must be a timed step down. So you've got at least 238 feet of throw that's usable on this, because the hotspot is so large though. Let's do turbo again one more time. Still got good battery power, and I mean it's not warm at all. So tree line, fence line. Good light output though. We'll do a beam profile again here. And we'll do turbo one more time. There's turbo one more time for you. Fence line. Nice spill, more than usable. So this is impressive. Wounded here on the Tree of Life. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Impressive beam performance. Definitely has a little bit better range than the previous model, in my opinion. And I think it's because a little bit different design on that reflector. That's they've done something a little bit better with this, especially in light output and performance on the beam. Proximity sensor, using it on a flashlight is a lot better than their headlamps, in my opinion. But just with my experiences, it's been kind of a hit and miss. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Now the battery here I had to charge. It took about 3.5 hours. Right out of the box it was ready to use, but the battery was at about 35-40%. So charged that before I went outside. Now I used a dedicated charger to charge it because I wanted to see what the level was and get a little bit more amps into charging that. I like to use 1 amp on these 18650s. Now as far as that, if you're going to be using the USB magnetic charger, it might take a little longer. It really depends on how low that battery is, but I heard that it does take a little bit longer with magnetic chargers, just normally all around. But solid build quality on this. I'm not seeing any issues with this. The tail portion of this light is really easy to operate, so you know you've got that 2 levels there, and it did really well for me. So I want to thank Olight for sending me this to review. Now if this is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link down in the description. I also have my special discount code there. It'll save you some money on this kit, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from Olight to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.